upon a time, in the deepest depths of the gloomy swamp, a frail frog lived. This frog was no ordinary frog. Once, she was a beautiful princess. Now, living her life under the evil spell of the spine-tingling Ola drama. The frog longed to be a princess again, and one day she escaped. Hopping as fast as she could, she leapt through the dreary swamp, through the haunted forest, and into the unknown. Amazed, the frog saw in the distance a herd of elephants. As quiet as a mouse, she crept up to them. "Ah!" screamed the elephant. "I nearly trod on you!" "I'm sorry," cried the frog. "I wondered if you could help me." "How can I help you, little frog?" "Well, elephant, you see, I once was a beautiful princess. Until I was the victim of an ugly ogre's curse. And I long to be a princess again." "I know just the person," shouted the elephant excitedly. "Follow me." The little elephant took the frog to see the great warrior. The amazing warrior pondered over the frog's story, and he tried everything. He cast a spell, played with potions, and he even considered the dark arts. However, nothing worked, and the princess remained a frog. At that moment, it dawned upon the warrior, and finally, he knew how to break the curse. "Little frog, take this mirror," he said. The little frog looked deeply into the mirror and only saw her own repulsive reflection. The warrior replied, "The only person who can break this curse is you. There must be a reason why you were under this spell." The frog said, "Thank you." And she left feeling heartbroken. She wondered until she came across a beautiful stream where she caught a glimpse of the most beautiful frog she had ever seen. With amazement, she realised it was her own reflection.